Kenalan. Thank you. So here we go, guys. I'm actually just testing my audio right now. So thanks to Mr. Benny T or Ben T for recommending the app for me here. So I'm currently testing how it goes with my helmet on. So the reason why I'm using an app for the audio is that the action camera that I got on hand right now actually requires an external mic or external microphone. So happens that I actually don't have any available audio jack that I could use for me to connect my headphones. So I'm just doing the so-called budget meal setup, since I don't have an external mic and I'm not even using a GoPro camera right now. So I couldn't really do the recording properly, like compared to using a GoPro. No offense, but I'm just speaking on my behalf currently of what I'm currently having right now on my end. So yeah, I'm just actually testing this out, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So Mr. Ben T or Ben T is actually suggesting me to try running at least 60 or 80 kph on my bike and see on how the audio goes. And just like the usual motovlogger's problem or dilemma is the wind noise. And I totally do agree. I mean, it's just like the usual phone calls that you do on your mobile phone, wherein if you breathe heavily, the noise from your mouth or from your nose is actually captured on the audio. So for motovloggers, it's the audio that brings life as well, plus the quality of the videos and content that you are producing on your channel. So right now I'm actually running at 60 something. So just a quick intro. I'm actually trying to start up my motor vlogging channel, and you could actually look me up by the channel name of 110 underscore Moto Rider PH. I chose that name for the reason of me driving a Honda CB110. So technically the number on my channel's name speaks for my bike. And as much as I wanted to do the speed runs that you usually see with other motor vloggers out there, here locally and internationally, sad to say, I wouldn't really be able to do that much, or that high speed running thing on my channel, since I got a very limited power on my bike. So yeah, hopefully someday I get to maybe get a second bike with a higher cc, or at least 150 cc for it, so that I could do the speed run thing on my end. But for now, just please bear with me in the speed limit that I'm having, since I got a limited power on my bike, as I said. So I'm actually right now here at Multinational road, or street, should I say, and it's heavily jammed in traffic. Here we go. I'm doing the counter flow to the right, or I mean to the left, sorry. Earlier I got my helmet close. I'm using a modular helmet, Spider modular helmet, Spider Shara to be exact. And currently I did open my visor and testing it out how the audio goes. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't catch that wind noise too much, since the mic that I'm using is actually coming from the headset of my mobile phone. So yeah, hopefully we could do this right. And man, this road is totally jammed with cars right now. I'm sure y'all heard the background noise of cars from my side here, or road is pretty much bumpy as well. So let's see how it goes. This time I'm just running audio on my end. I actually don't have my action camera running, since I don't have it with me, and the holder that I got here is the only helmet that I got that can have the action camera in place. So you might be wondering why I don't, what type of camera or action camera I'm running. I'm just using the 4K Wi-Fi action camera that you could usually buy from Lazada or from Shopee or somewhere else there out in the market. So yeah, as much as I wanted to get our GoPro, budget's really tight right now, man. I'm telling you. So yeah, let's stick to this one that we currently do have, and use our resources on how we could be productive in terms of doing content filming and as well as mixing it up with an audio coming from this app that I'm currently using. And I'm actually about to turn right. The mountain moves. Oi, say Babs. Say. Wrong move. So I'm pretty much stuck here in traffic. Well, anyway, I'm trying to build up my content that I could put on my audio. So good luck with this noise here coming from cars passing through my side. Doing a really terrible decision, turning right from the left side. As you can hear on the background, or if you heard, it was just a plane that passed through or above us, and that's because I'm now approaching multinational exit, or this is, I believe, the multinational road or street. I'm not sure, guys. Trust me. I mean, I grew up within this place or this community, but not so familiar in terms of the street name, the highways. Some, but with majority of it, not really. I mean, I know my way, but not the street name, if you know what I mean. So there, if you can hear it on my audio, that's a plane starting to heat up their engines and ready to take off. So they're actually, or I mean, the plane is actually at the tarmac right now, ready to take off. So what else? I'm sorry. Pretty much I'm just really new with motor vlogging, so I'm just trying to find my way through how I could really build good content, especially with the audio. Trust me, I mean, I'll work hard to provide good content, good audio. It may not be on a daily or regular basis, but I'm really trying my very best to get to use with how motovlogging goes. Anyways, if you guys might be wondering, good job. How long have I been riding? I've been riding my bike for 4 years now. I've been driving motorcycle or a motorcycle for 8 years? Not really. I would say 7 years. I don't remember when I bought my first bike. I just lost my helmet. It's really, really noisy outside. I don't remember when was the time I bought my first bike. I started with a China scooter. It's a 125cc China bike or scooter, as I said. That looks like a Top Boy. And then later on switched to a Motor Star, which is an imitation of Honda Wave Alpha, if I remember it correctly. Yeah, Honda Wave Alpha. And then later on switched to Honda Wave 100. And I drove that bike for maybe about a year or less than I drove the bike for about a year, and then that's when I got my first ever brand new bike, which is the Honda CB110. So that's what I'm currently driving right now. So like I mentioned, you don't really see much of speed runs, adrenaline thing on some of my videos. I may try to go fast, but it's limited. I mean, the power is limited. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Subscribe on my channel, and let's see how it goes. I mean, riding a bike is my passion. I'm really into driving or riding a motorcycle, and yeah, hoping that I would get noticed through YouTube. I know. Say that. Sorry about that. Yeah, my bad. I mean, there were some people trying to cross, and then I accelerated forward. They thought that I'll be running them over, but no, I wasn't. I'm just moving my bike forward since I wanted to go ahead the car because I'm on the very right or left side of it. So trying to avoid getting squeezed as he turns left. So yeah, what else? What else could I tell you guys? Just to introduce myself. Also, let's see. If you're gonna expect me, by the way, to go on rides outside of Metro, like the usual destination of the usual riders or motor riders, no, I don't think that I could really provide you that much or at all, since I also do work as a regular or usual employee. Also married already, so chop with the time. I need to get a decent schedule if I do so, plan where to go. I just couldn't do the usual thing where, hey, let's go on a weekend, then boom, you got it. No, I do have kids and wife at home, so I also do need to consider spending time with them on my rest days, since most of the time or day of the week I'm at work. So just like this one, I'm actually driving home, and it's like 6:30 in the evening. I go to work at 5. So just imagine that's like almost 12 hours or so. Me spending time outside and don't get to spend much time with my family, with the kid. So yeah, I don't think I would really be able to provide that much of content for outside the city ride. So yeah. Well, just in case if ever I would be given a chance, then yeah, I would do so. I mean, I would love to, go on a usual ride destination like maybe Kaibang or Marilake. That's the usual destination where riders go. Delilia. So yeah, hopefully I could do that. I mean, I stopped doing so when my wife got pregnant, so she had a very critical pregnancy period. So that's where I stopped really going on a ride and spending much time on a motorbike. So yeah, hopefully I could do that again or get a chance to. Do that every once in a while because I have missed that so much. Trust me, I really missed going on a ride. So yeah, what else? I mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe some of the contents I would be putting up on YouTube would be somewhat topics that you have already seen from other vloggers or other producers on YouTube. Motor vloggers or maybe not, but yeah, let's see. I'm trying to dig up some things here, ideas, possible contents that I would, bring up on my channel. So let's see how it goes. I'm still digging it up. I'm just trying to get myself familiar with this motor vlogging thing. To be honest, I'm also an interpersonal person, so I'm very camera shy in person. I need be, throwing out drugs every once in a while, but yeah. But less of a talk, just wait for my channel. I'm just patching things up here, making sure that once I started vlogging, it would be a spontaneous one. Maybe not on a regular basis in terms of uploading videos, but I'm hoping to, be able to provide contents and films for you guys at the best that I could. So let's see. So again, YouTube channel to look out for my YouTube channel would be 110, like the number 110 underscore Moto Rider space PH, or 110 underscore Motor Rider PH. So that's the YouTube channel that you need to look after, and that's what I hope to be using on my channel as well. So yeah, that's it, guys. Sorry for talking too much, and yeah, just hopefully support me and ride safe. Peace. mismo kayo?
Asa sa ako ito niya, mismo Asa sa ako yung mismo ha.
Ay, lol. Wala. Yellow.
Yan o.
Kaya tayo. Ay, tama.
Anong loan?